How surprised are you they're playing basketball in China this morning?
I'm not surprised. They got billions of dollars at stake. And I didn't say millions. I said billions. They have billions of dollars at stake. It's a business decision. I understand the NBA. The players and the owners both got billions of dollars at stake. I think it's easy for these Monday morning quarterbacks to say, well, these guys should do this, should do that. That's because it's not their money. The NBA makes billions of dollars in China, and that goes to the owners and the players. So it's a business decision, and I totally understand it.
If you were in LeBron's shoes, would you say anything? Lay low?
I think as a player, it's a lose-lose situation. You can't control what goes on in another country. I think it's totally – the thing is really funny. All these idiots and jackasses and fools on radio and television talking about these players should do that. These are the same people who've been hating on Colin Kaepernick for the last few years. And that's in another country. So I find it hilarious listening to all these idiot fools and jackasses on radio and TV talking about, well, these players should stand up. I said, first of all, you guys been killing Colin Kaepernick for the last X amount of years. Now all of a sudden y'all want to control what happens in a foreign country? Give me a break, please.
I thought that what was interesting is we haven't heard anything from China as far as Adam Silver or anybody else. Like, this is a good thing. You just want to get these games over with, get out, and then hopefully you can repair things. So what do you think of the job Adam Silver has done so far?
Well, Adam Silver works for the owners and kind of works for the players. Like I said, Dan, this is billions and billions of dollars. Like I said, I find it funny. Everybody's talking about, let's make this moral stand. You know what? If it's not their billions of dollars, it's easy for somebody to make a stand when they don't have any skin in the game. Listen, Adam Silver works for the owners and the players. And I'm going to repeat this for the last time. We're talking billions of dollars, billions of dollars. So I totally understand it. It's an awful situation. But this is China. This is not the United States. But all these guys out here want to take the moral high ground. Like I said, these are the same people who've been hating on Colin Kaepernick. They don't care what happens in the United States. All of a sudden, they want to know what happens. Let's make a stand on what happens in China. So I just sit back and just laugh at all these fools.
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune into Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV. Stream for free on BR Live or download the Dan Patrick Show app.